Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to create a not basic but yes the intermediate level of MIS report. So for example that you have this small data set where you are having the date, month name, CBU, brand name, product ID, units, POS, orders and pack sold. Okay, basis this data, I want you to create a intermediate level of a dashboard or MIS report on from which that the people can read this entire data. Okay, that's what I'm looking from this data. Okay, so this is something which is in the unformatted format. Okay, we do have as of now, but I want to have a view in the tabular, in the table, in the charts, in the visualization, in whatever you are comfortable to show the information. Okay, so let's create it from the scratch. I have not created so far. Let's create it together. So for example, here let's create two columns, year and month. Month I think we do already have month name. I want to have a year. So write here year and take out the year from here. Okay. Now next this is the data. Create one more sheet and give the name as MIS report. Okay. And remove the grid line. And now what you can do, you can take one shape. You can take a shape here. For example, I'm taking this one and insert it as per your requirement, however you want to show. So till S column, I drag it and I can give the name here and the color, that is something which is up to you how you would like to show. So for example, I would like to show in this format. So right click, okay, and I'm writing here, sales MIS report. Okay, make it bold, increase the size of it, increase the size and color it by white. Okay, simple. Next what you can do, click here, shape format, go in the shape effect. Here you can give it as this one. Okay, and I want this font should be little small like this. Okay, next again select the shape, go in the shape format and outline if you would like to give. For example, I would like to give here as, I'm still thinking, let's give it as maroon. Okay, now it seems much better. Next what you want to do, next I want to show here year on year on an average orders we have received and the comparison as well from the last year to the next year. For example, we do have here months. Let's take out the months here like this and remove the duplicates. Jan, Feb, March, we do have these months, and here the year, how many years we do have. Let's drag it here and paste it here and remove the duplicates. Let's take the year, copy it and value paste. We have value pasted, remove the duplicates. So from 2017 to 2020 we do have a data. Okay, this is how that you have to prepare your format as I have prepared. Now simple, if you want to color it, month. Okay, if you want to color it as per your requirement. For example, I'm coloring it like this and drag it here. Now here simple, write here equal to average total sum if from orders. All right, then year and sum if that you need to calculate here the total orders we have received in these periods, then month. Okay, I hope you will be able to do it. Drag it. Okay, this is the total orders we have received. If you want to have in the percent, so you know better what you have to do. So what you have to do, you have to divide all these things with the total of 2017. So divide it, sum if, and sum if after that, sorry, in sum if orders, then years. Divided the total sales, total orders from against the each year. Drag it. It should be 100%. You look, it is 100%. Drag it on the right side. Okay, and increase the decimal value. It seems much better. Now what you can do, this is the simple reports we do have. You can also write here what does it mean, what it is showing us. So simple right here, okay, month on month or total orders, you know, or total orders summary against each month and year. So it is simply denoting here that the summary is the below summary is showing the total orders we do have received against these respective years. So decrease the font and make it bold, and color, whatever color, for example, I would like to give here as this one. It seems much better. You look, it is looking really good. You can also color it through this one. Okay, give the little brown color. Now you have to compare the 2018 from 2017. For example, in Jan 2017 we do have 9.9, but in 2018 we do have 2.9.8, which means less orders we received as compared to the 2017 in the month of Jan. That's what we would like to compare. So simply select it, press alt HLN, okay, to go in the formula, and right here, if this value is greater than this, okay, greater than this, then it should be the positive. It should be obviously positive. Okay, it should be positive. I would like to have font color I would like to have as dark green. Okay, bold. It's much better. Okay, you look. And if not, then I would like to have in the red. Then what you have to do, come here, if this value is less than this value, then I would like to have the font as red. So it will make my summary looks more good. Okay, bold. Okay, and then okay. Now it seems much better. All right, it seems much better. This is the small summary. As soon as that you will change the data, this report will keep on changing. This is summary. This is the MIS report we are preparing. We are not doing any kind of automation. If you want to put any drop down, if you want to, then you can, based on, for example, based on CBU. I would like to have one controller, okay, based on CBU. CBU is the I would say the company name you can call it. Okay, the company name I would like to control it from here, company. Okay, company. In the company, the drop down is here, the drop down of Amazon. Simple, make it unique in the app column. Now what you can do, you can simply alt DL list, come back and give it. Now we do have Amazon FBA, right? If this is being changing, so my all the reports should change. So how I can do that? Let's learn. Okay, so for example, here you have to add one more criteria. Come here, add one more criteria based on company. Okay, based on company, this one. Same, copy this criteria till here. It seems some problem. Again, now what I would like to have comma and give one more criteria from here. Okay, then come back and select it, and I think it is B5. It is B5. Okay, and now copy this till here and paste it in the last as well, and drag it. You look, now if I'm changing to Amazon, you look, everything is being changed. So this is the controller. Okay, this is the basic starting of the MIS report. Then you should always have the one controller based on which that you would like to have the performance, you would like to have the report. Okay, that is the control that you can do it. Okay, next, for example, next thing what I would like to show, I would like to show the comparison, not a comparison, but the total number of units has been sold out. Okay, this is the units, total units has been sold against the brand name we do have here. Simple, copy it, and now Now paste it. Remove the duplicates value. Now how many? 22. 22. You know the brand name that we do have. Okay, we do have 22 brand name. I can delete it. I can decrease the height of the rows as per my requirement. Okay, now it seems much better. Okay, this is the brand name, and now I would like to have the total total units. Total units has been sold, then total packs sold, total order has come. Simple. Okay, total order has come against each year. So against each year, which means 2017, just paste it like this. Okay, just paste it like this. Simple. You have to make a format. You have to make a format like this. Copy, paste. How many? Done. Now you decrease the you resize the column width like this. You have to resize it like this. All right, resize it. Next, what you can do, you simply can fill up this color. You can fill up this color by this one, and next you can fill this color. You can simply copy, format it, format paste, format paste. This is the format that you are preparing to prepare your summary. Okay, now if you want to fill it up, then you can come, you can fill it like this. All right, and if not, then merge it. Then merge it. It's much better. Okay, so the format will look much better, right? That's why. Now you look, the size is all okay. I see the P, we do have more gap as compared to the other columns in the P column. Okay. Now simple, paste it here and give the color, and I would like to also change the bordering of it. So control 1, go in the border, choose the color as like this one, and give this border. So this border seems much better. I think I should give some little darker, this one. Okay, now much better. Simple. F4, then F4, then you look, the formatting is really looks too good. Look. Okay, now you look, this is the MIS report that you can control, guys, from here in just one drop down. You look, I will give you the more insight out of this data. Don't worry, guys. Now I don't want to have here anything, but yes, color I would like to have. Okay, same color. Okay, next what I would like to have, I don't want to have, but I would like to have the darker border out of this summary. So control 1, go in the border, take this one and outline, and okay, simple, outline. Next, simple, the data also like this, so that it looks good. All right, now we can now start. Now we have prepared our summary. Now what we can start pulling out the numbers. So simple, the total number of the units and the orders, okay, in 2017 against this brand. So simple, write here sum if total units is here. Okay, and year we do have, okay, year column will be this one. Okay, it will be, okay, H5. The next is brand name is here, brand name, and brand, the criteria you do have here, 1 2 3. Next, the company you already have a control on the company, so control will be your this one, F5, and enter. Okay, this is the units, and the orders, just you need to change only the column name from F to H. So in the beginning, if it is F, then make it as H. Okay, that's it. Next, if you would like to have in the same in the percent, you can, but in my case I don't want. Okay, simple, I would like to have here numbers. So it will be 2018 2018, 2019 and 2020. So you just need to change it from 2017 to 2018. Okay, 2018. Drag it and again copy and paste. Now simple, what you have to change? You have to change the year then. That's it. Change the year. You look. This is something which is the MIS report. We have not used any visualization here, but we will use. Don't worry. Okay, we will use. Now drag it. Now what I would like to have, I would like to have the comparison. The comparison from this orders to this order, this order to this order. Okay. Now what I would like to have, I would like to select all these orders from here to here. Okay. From here to here. Just select it. Simple. Now Alt H L N, I'm going here and giving it format, coming back here. Now simple, if this value is greater than this value, then I should have the green sign. Font should be as green. Font should be as green and bold. Okay. And then okay. You look. Okay. Everything. If Alt H L N, if value is, if this value is less than this one, then I would like to have everything in red. So go in the font, select here, font and bold. And okay. Then okay. Now you look guys. Now everything seems okay. I know that this number is already greater than, but still it's not being read. But the formatting, if you will make such a formatting, obviously it will look good and your dashboard will make some sense, right? Now in case, for example, I'm changing the Amazon to FBA, you look, everything is getting changed, you look. Okay. And if you want to make everything in the percent, if you want to have, you can do that. But in my case, I don't want to. For example, now I would like to show the comparison and the chart. Select it and come here and take any, not this one, but yes, the column chart you can take. For example, I'm taking this one. So here you have to show, right click, select data. You have to, draw it, remove everything. Okay, remove it. Just add it. And for adding, take it as 2017 and select it first. Okay. Then again add for 2018, select it. Okay. Then again add 2019, then select it. Okay. Then again add and select to 2020 and this range. Okay. And edit will be your this month. Alright. Now click on OK. You look. This is the visualization that you can have. And drag it. If you would like to show, just remove the grid line, remove it, right click on the width, format series, and now gap width if you would like to increase it. Okay. Next, if you would like to have anything which means if you would like to have a data label, click here, data label, make everything like white as per the background color. Okay. And this one should also be white, and it seems this is okay. Now I think it seems okay. Now the chart title, you can simply just copy the same and paste it here. Okay, paste it here, make it little small and make it bold, and align somewhere here. Okay, we have aligned. Next, if you would like to make it as bold it. This is the visualization that you guys can have. If you want to resize, you can resize. In my case, I would like to resize like this. Okay, and now if you want to align somewhere, that you can align. But for example, I'm aligning here at the right side, because of lack of spaces, I would like to have somewhere like this. Okay. not this one, but yes, this one. And also we can increase it. Now it seems much better. The visualization plus the table format, we do have everything. Next, if you would like to show something, for example, I would like to show here one more thing. I would like to show here the year on year, how many, the orders. Okay, if I would like to show here, what I can show here the total number of units has been sold against each, against each year. That already we have shown. I think this is the sufficient summary and the report where we can read out all the data. In case that if you would like to compare your data with anything, then that is the different story. Okay, for example, that you would like to compare, you would like to compare something, is their problem. Right click and select data. It should be month. Let's edit it. Okay, it should be removed. No. I think there is some problem was in the chart. Okay, I'm not changing it, but yes, still we can make out some, meaningful insight. Okay. Okay, next what we can do, this is the small summary that we have prepared, guys. We can control everything. You look, we are able to control. What else we can show? You look, guys. So still we can show the lot of things. If I would like to compare the brand, okay, one brand to another brand, then how I can compare? For example, I would like to compare that, in the summary. For example, column, removing it, all the duplicates. Now I would like to compare this brand name with this one against the total orders. So I can simply write here total orders. Okay, total orders, simple, equal to sum if the total orders, okay, against this brand name, this is the total order, guys. Okay, now I would like to compare, I would like to show it as, the delta or the comparison from this will be obviously 0%. If I would like to compare, no, I would like to compare this from the next year, from next brand. Okay, simple, -1. So if you look at, so Airborne is the brand, okay, which has lot of orders, 141% extra order as compared to the MOP. Okay, so simple, drag it. Now I do have this one, so simple, put 0. And what you can do, you can simply create here what waterfall chart. For example, come here and create one waterfall chart. The waterfall chart is simple here. You can draw like this. Okay, now this is something that I think which is not really making sense, but what you can do, you can simply, create this chart. This is something which will go completely opposite. I don't want to show in that way, but I would like to show here the comparison from here to here. The comparison, if you will look, this is the comparison, guys. So you can also still, make it in the table. So for example, I'm making it here, okay, little down, total orders and the comparison. Okay, current brand versus, next brand. I would like to have, I think it's not making much sense, but the comparison percent. So this is something that you can make your summary. Next, what you can do, simple, drag it. I would like to, resize it. Next, I would like to have the same border I do have here. Simple. Okay. Next, what it's showing us, it is showing comparison. I'm writing here the comparison. You can reword as per your language a comparison on orders. Okay, across all the brands. Okay, you can decrease the size of it, make it bold, and give this color. Now you look, it really seems much better if you would like to, do it a total orders plus comparison, total orders and total units. Total units means, guys, I'm telling you, total units means total units. Copy it and paste it. And now if you would like to have the criteria and the controls on the, company, you can still, okay, you can still from here, F5, drag it. Now I have units in F column. So come here, copy the same, paste it, and write here F. Simple. Right here F. Okay. This is the comparison of total comparison on orders, comparison on units. Okay. Simple. Now if there is any error, then it should be as 0. Okay, 0. If error, if anything, then it should be 0. Now I would like to highlight if anything in the negative. If anything is less than 0, then it should be highlighting as red, bold, red. That's it. So the same for this. Okay, you look. Now I do have the good summary. You look, I really do have some good summary. I can present anywhere. You look, I can present anywhere. If I will decrease the size of it, you look, still it is really making so much sense. You look, if I can control my everything from here. You look, everything is getting changed. So this is the MIS report, guys, that you can prepare, okay, in your organization and for your team as well. So this is the first, you should have a good idea about the data, what are the insights that you can pull out, and you can show in which format. That the format is really keeps much important, guys. If you have no format in your mind, then first think the format, in which format that you're gonna show. As I just demonstrate in front of you guys, that these are the things which we can show in this format. In this format it looks much better, it will make more sense. That's what actually we have done, and I am expecting the same from you guys, that if you are having any question, do let me know in the comment box, and I will again try to emphasize the topics, okay, on which that if you will have any question. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.